Hello friends, today I will show you that how you can convert any image into black and white in Adobe Photoshop. So open any image in the Photoshop and then you can see, like here you can find adjustments panel. If it is not here, sometimes it is not here. For example, like this is not showing here, so you can click on window and click adjustments. This will be there. So just select the layer and then you can see in adjustments we have different things. So here you can find like black and white, so click here. Now you can see Photoshop will apply like black and white like this. How we can control the reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues and magentas. Like if I reduce, you can see how it's changing. So anything you can control with these levels. See, so you can see now how easily we have applied black and white effect to the image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.